Morning sunlight floods Ferdinand's kitchen. He turns to his mum with determination.
Mom, please make breakfast for 2.
Who's the other 4?
You'll see.
Daniel is waiting, smiling knowingly.
Come on. There's someone we need to see.
They walk together. The girl is on the bench again, her head bowed. She looks up as they approach.
We brought breakfast. God gave us more than enough today.
See, our Father knew exactly what we needed, and He answered when we prayed.
For those who trust Him, worry is replaced with peace, because the Father always provides. Hope you've learnt to pray and trust God for your needs. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone who is troubled about his or her needs.